Imagine pulling a tray of warm, gooey chocolate chip cookies out of the oven. The smell of melting chocolate and sweet dough filling your kitchen. Now, imagine those cookies are so good that even celebrities like Taylor Swift, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, and Chrissy Teigen can't resist grabbing a bite. That's right. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best homemade chocolate chip cookies that are soft, chewy, and downright irresistible. Whether you're baking for a special occasion or just treating yourself, these cookies will be your new go-to recipe. Ready to discover the secret to the perfect chocolate chip cookie? Let's dive right in. To make these ultimate chocolate chip cookies, you'll need a few simple ingredients. The key to making these cookies soft and chewy is using high-quality ingredients and getting the right balance of flavors and textures. Ingredients. For the cookies, 2 1/4 cups, 280-gram all-purpose flour provides the structure for the cookies. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda helps the cookies rise and keeps them light. 1 teaspoon baking powder adds a little extra lift for a softer texture. 1 teaspoon salt balances the sweetness and enhances flavor. 1 cup, 230-gram unsalted butter, softened. The fat content makes the cookies rich and tender. 3/4 cup, 150-gram granulated sugar adds sweetness and helps the cookies spread. 3/4 cup, 165-gram packed brown sugar adds moisture and a deep caramel-like flavor. 2 large eggs provide structure and moisture. 2 teaspoon pure vanilla extract adds warmth and enhances the flavor of the cookies. 2 cups, 340-gram semi-sweet chocolate chips, the star of the show. Use high-quality chocolate for the best results. Making process. Step 1. Prepare the dough. 1. Mix the dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. 2. Cream the butter and sugars. In a large mixing bowl, beat the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar together using a hand mixer or stand mixer. Cream the mixture on medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. This step is crucial for incorporating air, which will give your cookies a tender texture. 3. Add the eggs and vanilla. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Add the vanilla extract and mix until combined. 4. Combine the wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough, as this can result in tougher cookies. 5. Fold in the chocolate chips. Using a spatula, gently fold in the chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. If you're adding nuts or coconut, fold those in as well. Step 2. Chill the dough. 1. Cover and chill. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or transfer the dough to an airtight container. Chill the dough in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, but for best results, let it chill for 1 to 2 hours. Chilling the dough helps the flavors develop and prevents the cookies from spreading too much during baking. Step 3. Bake the cookies. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. 2. Scoop the dough. Use a cookie scoop or tablespoon to portion out the dough onto the prepared baking sheet. Place the dough balls about 2 inches apart to allow for spreading. 3. Bake. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown, but the centers are still soft. Remember, the cookies will continue to cook on the baking sheet after you take them out of the oven, so don't overbake them. 4. Cool. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking. Serving style. These chocolate chip cookies are incredibly versatile and can be served in a variety of ways. 1. Classic style. Serve the cookies warm with a glass of cold milk. The contrast between the soft, chewy cookies and the cold milk is a timeless combination. 2. Ice cream sandwiches. For a special treat, sandwich a scoop of your favorite ice cream between two cookies. Freeze the sandwiches for a bit before serving to let the ice cream set. 3. Cookie sundaes. Crumble the cookies over a bowl of vanilla ice cream. Drizzle with chocolate sauce and top with whipped cream and a cherry for a decadent dessert. 4. Cookie gift boxes. Package a batch of cookies in a decorative box or tin and give them as a thoughtful homemade gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Bonus tip: use room temperature ingredients. Make sure your butter and eggs are at room temperature before you start mixing. This helps them blend more easily and evenly into the dough. Don't overmix. Once you add the flour, mix the dough just until the ingredients are combined. Overmixing can develop the gluten too much, resulting in tougher cookies. Experiment with flavors. While classic chocolate chip cookies are always a hit, don't be afraid to experiment. Try adding a pinch of cinnamon, a sprinkle of sea salt on top, or swapping out some of the chocolate chips for white chocolate or butterscotch. Health benefits. While chocolate chip cookies are definitely a treat, you can enjoy them as part of a balanced diet. 1. Portion control. Savor the cookies in moderation. Enjoying 1 or 2 cookies as a dessert can satisfy your sweet tooth without overindulging. 2. Nutritional boost. By adding nuts, you can increase the protein and healthy fat content of the cookies, making them more satisfying and nutritious. 3. Mindful ingredients. Using high-quality ingredients, such as organic butter, free-range eggs, and natural vanilla extract, can enhance the flavor and nutritional profile of your cookies. 4. Baking at home. When you bake cookies at home, you have full control over what goes into them. This means you can avoid preservatives, artificial flavors, and excess sugar found in store-bought cookies. Fun fact: 1. Origins of chocolate chip cookies. The chocolate chip cookie was invented by Ruth Wakefield in the 1930s at the Toll House Inn in Massachusetts. She added chopped-up chocolate bars to her cookie dough, and the rest is history. 2. Celebrity fans. Chocolate chip cookies are a favorite among many celebrities. Taylor Swift has shared her love for baking cookies, especially during the holidays. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson often indulges in chocolate chip cookies during his legendary cheat meals, and Chrissy Teigen has shared her own cookie recipes on social media. 3. National Cookie Day. Did you know there's a National Cookie Day? It's celebrated on December 4th every year, giving you the perfect excuse to bake and enjoy a batch of cookies. 4. Largest chocolate chip cookie. The world record for the largest chocolate chip cookie was set in 2003. It weighed over 40,000 pounds and measured 102 feet in diameter. Over the decades, chocolate chip cookies have become a beloved treat around the world, inspiring countless variations, from crispy to chewy, from extra chocolatey to loaded with nuts and other add-ins. Whether you prefer them straight from the oven or dunked in a glass of milk, there's no denying the universal appeal of this classic cookie. And there you have it, the ultimate recipe for the best homemade chocolate chip cookies that are soft, chewy, and absolutely irresistible. Whether you're baking for yourself, your family, or a gathering of friends, these cookies are sure to be a hit. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.